Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from Group 4. In here we are going to presentation about human relation and technology, society 5.0 and the industrial revolution 4.0. Okay, with the members, Anissa Sekarayu with ID number 41014200003. Next it's Nur Hanifah with ID number 41014200041. Next, it's Hikmatul Laili Desiani with ID number 410-142-0079. Nur Salsabila with ID number 530-242-2012. And Intan Ermawati with ID number 530-242-2012. Okay, before I start our presentation, let me explain first about the current condition. Human life today cannot be separated from the technological advance considering the times that they have developed rapidly. The existence of technology has influenced society and the surrounding environment along with the times. Okay, next, what is the technology? The technology, according to the Kamus Besar Bahasa Indonesia or KBBI, the word technology means the scientific method to achieve practical goals, applied science or the overall means to provide goods needed for the survival and comfort of human life. From the etymology, technology comes from the word technologia from Greek, techno meaning expertise and logia meaning knowledge. While, in general terms, the notion of the technology is the application of the scientific knowledge for practical purpose in human life or in changing and manipulating the human environment. Okay, there are is the opinions according to expert regarding of the meaning of technology. From the Capra, technology is a systematic discussion of applied art or carpentry. This refers to literature from Greece, which alludes to technologia, which come from the word tech, which mean art resource. From Manuel Castell, technology is a collection of tools, rules, and procedure which are the application of scientific knowledge to a particular job under conditions that allow repetition. And from the Tony B, technology is a hallmark of the existence of a human glory, where this proof that humans cannot live just to eat, but need more than that. Okay, now what is the role of the technology? The role of the technology, the information technology has an important role in meeting the increasing number of human needs, starting from the interacting, learning, reading news, transaction, and others. All use information technology product. Technological development have brought tremendous benefit to the progress of human civilization. Jobs that previously required physical strength and ability can now be replaced by automatic machines. Okay, this next is an example of the role of technology. The first, the role of the technology as a medium of communication and information. As we know, nowadays it is very easy to communicate remotely using social media, such as like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or others. We can also get all kinds of information on the internet, ranging from the news, articles, and the others. Next, the role of technology is in the government. As a processor of important population data, state administration, planning of state activities, and the others. And the next is the role of technology in the field of office and education. With the existence of technology in the office and banking can speed up and facilitate the activities of supervising employees and money transaction. And the education, as we know, we can like Google Classroom, like Edmodo, like Zenius or like Ruang Guru. It's example of role of technology in education.
Okay, the next we will talk about Society 5.0. So, what is Society 5.0? For the definition, Society 5.0 is a concept that defines that technology and humans will coexist in order to improve the quality of human life in a sustainable manner. This concept is a refinement of various previous concepts, starting from Society 5.1.0, where humans are in the era of hunting and knowing writing, then Society 2.0, which is the era of agriculture where people have starting farming. Society 3.0 has entered the industrial era when humans have used machines to help their activities. And Society 4.0 or the Industrial Revolution 4.0, where humans are familiar with the computer technology to the internet. And now Society 5.0 comes with the concept that all technology is part of humans themselves. This means that the internet is not only useful for sharing information and analyzing data, but also for living life. And the goal of the Society 5.0 era is to create a society where people enjoy life to the fullest. Economic growth and technological development are the main goals, and not for the prosperity of a select few. And then, so what's the urgency of Society 5.0? The urgency of Society 5.0, Society 5.0 can be interpreted as a concept of a human-centered and technology-based society. Through the concept of Society 5.0, people's lives expected to be more comfortable and sustainable. And technology Society 5.0 or AI based on big data and robots to perform or support human work.
Continue urgency of Society 5.0 in point 4. With the technology era of Society 5.0, a new value is created that will eliminate social, age, gender, language gaps, and provide products and services specifically designed for the diverse needs of individuals and the needs of many people. And next, the basic principle in Society 5.0 is balance in business and economic development with the social environment. And the last, utilization of technology should not only be able to make life popular among people. Okay, we move to the next slide. How about the example of Society 5.0? So this is an example of Society 5.0. First, an example is in the social field, namely with the use of AI to analyze big data from various information such as satellite, artificial ground, weather radar, observation disaster area with drones, information damage from building sensors, and damage information from building sensors. And the other example of this is in the field of education in the era of Society 5.0. It is possible for students in the learning process to directly deal with robots that are specifically designed to replace educators or are controlled by remote educators.
So in here I will explain about what is Industrial Revolution 4.0. So what's the meaning of Industrial Revolution 4.0? The Industrial Revolution 4.0 is often referred to as cyber physical system. It's a technology that uses cyber system with automation technology. In this revolutionary era, many activities that workers usually do are now replaced with the technological machines. The Industrial Revolution 4.0 is a machine that uses the internet with industry. the Industrial Revolution 4.0, one of which is IoT. IoT is a device that requires an internet network that can carry out activities without human assistance through communication.
What is the urgency role of the 4.0 industrial revolution is as follows. The Industrial Revolution 4.0 has been involving people workforce such as in terms of the economy, job vacancies, and so on, and the ability of its industrial revolution will be very much needed in the world of work, which will basically continue to grow.
Explain about how about the example of Industrial Revolution 4.0. Is many example of Industrial Revolution 4.0. In here, I will explain about the IoT. The IoT system integrates four components, namely sensor device, connectivity, data processing, and user interface. So the example of IoT application in Indonesia is Bardi. Bardi is to make it easier for us to carry out activities such as adjusting the light, opening the curtains, turning off the lights, and so on. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully, what my group has to say about the human relations and technology society 5.0 and the Israel Revolution 4.0 conveys useful for audience. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.